Hello, I'm Steve, your travel partner, and welcome to Zadar, Croatia. This charming city on the Dalmatian coast is a feast for the senses with ancient Roman ruins, captivating modern art, and the most stunning sunsets you'll ever see. In this video, we're going to explore the top 12 things to do in Zadar, from the magical sea organ to the bustling People's Square. Right on Zadar's waterfront, you'll find an architectural marvel, the sea organ. This experimental musical instrument is built right into the marble steps leading down to the Adriatic. As the waves lap against the shoreline, they push air through a series of pipes hidden beneath the steps, creating an ever-changing symphony of sound. Imagine sitting here on a warm evening, the sun setting over the Adriatic, listening to the ocean play its own music. Just a stone's throw from the sea organ, you'll find another of Zadar's modern marvels, the Greeting to the Sun. This massive solar-powered installation is a tribute to the sun and its life-giving energy. During the day, the plates collect solar energy, and as the sun begins to set, they come alive with a dazzling light show. It's a truly mesmerizing spectacle, with the colors and patterns constantly shifting and changing. Towering over the city skyline, Zadar Cathedral is a magnificent testament to Zadar's rich and storied past. Its history dates back to the Roman era, with the cathedral we see today largely constructed in the 12th and 13th centuries. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by soaring ceilings, intricate mosaics, and a profound sense of peace and tranquility. Be sure to climb the bell tower for panoramic views of Zadar. Travel back in time at Zadar's Roman Forum, a sprawling archaeological site that dates back to the 1st century BC. Once the heart of Roman Zadar, the Forum was a bustling center of commerce, politics, and social life. Today you can wander among the ruins of ancient temples, colonnades, and public buildings, imagining the grandeur of this once great empire. The Roman Forum is a fascinating glimpse into Zadar's Roman heritage and a must-visit for history buffs. Prepare to be dazzled at the Museum of Ancient Glass, a unique museum that showcases the long and illustrious history of glassblowing in Zadar. Inside, you'll find an impressive collection of ancient glassware, from delicate perfume bottles to intricate jewelry, all beautifully preserved and displayed. But the real highlight is the live glassblowing demonstrations. Watch as skilled artisans heat, shape, and blow molten glass into exquisite works of art. Tucked away behind the imposing land gate, you'll find the tranquil oasis of Five Wells Square. This historic square gets its name from the 5 decorative wells that were once the city's main water supply. Built in the 16th century during a siege by the Turks, the wells provided fresh water to the city's inhabitants. The square itself is a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city. For breathtaking views and a journey through history, take a walk along Zadar's magnificent city walls. These imposing fortifications built between the 13th and 16th centuries have protected the city from invaders for centuries. As you stroll along the walls, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the city, the harbor, and the sparkling Adriatic Sea. Walking along Zadar's city walls is like stepping back in time. For a taste of local life, head to People's Square, the bustling heart of Zadar. This square is not just a meeting point, but a living, breathing testament to the city's rich history and vibrant culture. As you step into the square, you are immediately enveloped by the lively atmosphere that has been the heartbeat of Zadar for generations. This lively square has been the city's social hub for centuries, a place where locals gather to chat, sip coffee, and soak up the atmosphere. Imagine the countless conversations that have taken place here, the friendships formed, and the stories shared. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the local way of life. Lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, People's Square is the perfect place to relax, people watch, and enjoy the vibrant energy of Zadar. Whether you're looking to indulge in some local cuisine, shop for unique souvenirs, or simply sit back and observe the world go by, this square offers something for everyone. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the sound of laughter fill the air, creating an inviting and warm atmosphere. In the center of the square, you'll find the City Guard, a beautiful Renaissance building that once housed the city's guard. This architectural gem stands as a reminder of Zadar's storied past, blending seamlessly with the modern vibrancy of the square. Take a moment to admire its intricate details and imagine the historical events that have unfolded within its walls. The City Guard building is not just a landmark, but a symbol of the enduring spirit of Zadar. Ready for some fun in the sun? Look no further than Kolovari Beach, Zadar's most popular city beach. Located just a short walk from the city center, Kolovari offers a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle. Whether you want to swim, sunbathe, or just relax by the water, Kolovari has something for everyone. The beach is well equipped with showers, changing rooms, and sun lounger rentals. For a fascinating journey through time, visit the Zadar Archaeological Museum, a place where history comes alive and stories from the past are unveiled. Home to an impressive collection of artifacts spanning thousands of years of history, this museum is a treasure trove for history enthusiasts and curious minds alike. From prehistoric times to the Venetian era, the museum offers a captivating glimpse into the many layers of Zadar's past. Each exhibit is meticulously curated to provide an immersive experience, allowing visitors to travel back in time and witness the evolution of this remarkable region. Explore exhibits showcasing ancient tools, pottery, jewelry, and sculptures, each piece a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of the people who lived here centuries ago. These artifacts not only highlight the daily lives of ancient inhabitants, but also their artistic expressions and technological advancements. Each artifact tells a unique story about the people who lived in this region centuries ago, offering insights into their customs, traditions, and way of life. The intricate designs on pottery and jewelry reveal a deep appreciation for beauty and craftsmanship. The museum also features exhibits on the medieval and Venetian periods, showcasing the city's rich cultural heritage. These periods were marked by significant developments in art, architecture, and trade, all of which are beautifully represented in the museum's collection. From the grandeur of Venetian art to the everyday objects of medieval life, the exhibits provide a comprehensive overview of Zadar's historical journey. The museum serves as a bridge connecting the past with the present, allowing visitors to appreciate the rich tapestry of history that has shaped this vibrant city. Prepare to be amazed by the Church of St. Donatus, one of Zadar's most iconic landmarks and a stunning example of early Croatian architecture. Built in the 9th century, this pre-Romanesque masterpiece is instantly recognizable for its unique circular shape. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a sense of awe and wonder. Today, the Church of St. Donatus hosts concerts and cultural events, taking advantage of its exceptional acoustics. Ready for an adventure beyond the city walls? Imagine leaving behind the hustle and bustle of urban life and stepping into a world where nature reigns supreme. Just a short drive from Zadar lies Paklenica National Park, a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. This hidden gem is a sanctuary where you can reconnect with the natural world. This stunning park is characterized by its dramatic canyons, towering cliffs, and lush forests, offering a refreshing escape from the city. The canyons, carved by ancient rivers, tell a story of time and nature's relentless force. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the park's many trails, ranging from easy walks to challenging climbs. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual walker, there's a path for everyone. The trails wind through diverse landscapes, each turn revealing a new breathtaking view. Paklenica National Park is the perfect place to escape into nature and create unforgettable memories. Picture yourself standing at the edge of a cliff, the wind in your hair, and the vast expanse of the park stretching out before you. It's a place where every moment feels timeless, and every experience is etched into your memory. Well, there you have it, our whirlwind tour of the top 12 things to do in Zadar, Croatia. From the musical sea organ to the ancient Roman ruins, Zadar is a city that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.